So my purpose in the next 15 minutes is to improve your cognitive empathy. What is your language, and what is the language of the other person you're trying to influence? Because if you speak their language, not yours, that is called cognitive empathy. So getting things done on time, in full, winning, task orientation, just do it. If that's your energy, put your hand up for me. If that's your style. We've got quite a few red energy, because that is red. Red for results. So that is about data. It's about being analytical, but more important than anything else, it's about doing it correctly. Put your hand up if you think that's you. Yeah, we've got a nice number. Who, by the way, put their hands up slower than the reds. Just saying. Idea creators. People who've got loads of solutions. Visioning's real easy for me, because I can dream all day long. Who would say that is your natural energy? Ideas, positivity, can do. Yeah, me too. Yellow energy, fourth color energy. I actually do care. So when I listen to learn because I care, rather than it's about the task. So people come first, not task. Put your hand up if you think that's you. If you use this consciously, two things happen. You become more aware of yourself and your own language, and when it works and when it doesn't. And the second thing is true, you're more cognizant, cognitive empathy, of the other person.